So in this video, we are going to talk about how to install and configure Elasticsearch and Kibana on your Apple Macbook M1 Silicon. So even if you're on Windows, you can follow along because process is very similar. So first we'll open the browser, we'll search for download Elasticsearch in Google. We'll open the first link here. This is download Elasticsearch. It will ask us to choose the platform. So if you're on Mac M1 or M2 Apple Silicon, then we will choose Mac OS ARC64. If you're on Windows, you can choose like accordingly. So, and you can click on the download. I have already downloaded this. Same for Kibana. We'll search for download Kibana. We'll open the first link here and we'll choose the platform accordingly. So again, if you're on Windows, then you can click on Windows. And if you're on Mac M1 Silicon or M2 Silicon, then you can click on ARC64. And if you're on Intel Mac, you can click on this x86_64. Now I have downloaded both of these files. Now we need to unzip it. So I'll just open it. So it will automatically unzip it. I'll open both the files. So it will create two folders here. One will be for Elasticsearch and one is for Kibana. I think Kibana did not got created. Yeah, it is expanding here. Okay, so we have both the folders now. In Elasticsearch, if you open, we have some files here and there's bin folder here as well. And in this bin folder, there are some executable files. So in this bin folder, we need to execute this Elasticsearch file. And similarly, in Kibana as well, if we open the Kibana folder, there is bin inside Kibana and there is one executable Kibana we need to execute. So we'll go into terminal and we'll execute both of these files. So first we need to execute the Elasticsearch one. We need to install Elasticsearch. So I'll just copy this path. I need to copy this path and I'll go to CD and I'll paste this ls and we have Elasticsearch 8.9.1 here. So I'll go inside this folder, CD Elasticsearch 8.9.1 ls. So as we have bin folder here. So I'll just go to CD. If you want to execute directly, we can do /bin and then Elasticsearch. So if we run this command, just this command .bin without any CD or source, we just /bin/Elasticsearch, it will execute this file. Let's just run it. So it will start the Elasticsearch server. So we just have to wait for a while to let it start. So I think, yeah, it is starting. It is getting started. If we want to check if the server is getting started or not, yes, this is started. I'll just make it a little smaller. Yes. So as you can see, the password is this. So you need to note it down, this password for further usage. You can change also the password by using this bin/elastic reset password and username is elastic. So this is the default user which comes by default when you first install the Elasticsearch. This is the fingerprint and this code is for Kibana. So if you want to install Kibana, we need to pass this code. So we have started this. I'll just open one more terminal and I'll again copy this path in this terminal. We need another terminal because we cannot use that terminal as Elasticsearch is running on that. ls, so we have other files. We'll go to CD Kibana ls and we have bin folder here, right? So again, we can do similar thing, .bin and then Kibana. So it will start Kibana as well. Now we just need to wait for it. Now we'll copy this. So on this URL, Kibana is running. So we'll copy this, we'll paste this in the browser. Now it will ask for enrollment token. So this enrollment token, which we saw on Elasticsearch terminal. So we just need to go up and this is that enrollment token. We'll copy this and we'll paste it here and configure Elastic. So it will take some time. To get started. Meanwhile, we can check if the Elasticsearch is running or not. So for that, we'll type https:// localhost and 9200. If we open this and we have to click on advanced here and proceed to localhost unsafe. Here we need to type username, which is Elastic, and we have the password here in the terminal. We'll copy this and we will paste it here. Sign in. So if you see this, that means Elasticsearch is perfectly running fine. And we just need to wait for this Kibana to get started. So I'll just skip the video. Once it is done, I'll resume it. Okay, so it took a while and now it is asking for password. So we'll type Elastic and we'll again copy the password here. Login. Okay, so this is the Kibana. We have successfully installed Kibana. Now, if we wanted to check the console, we just need to go here and we'll click on DevTools. So in DevTools, now you can write Lucene queries here. So I have written some. I have already installed it earlier. So we'll just check how many indices are there. So I'll just type get_cat/indices. So it will list all the indices present right now. If we do $NV, that means verbose, it will give us the headers as well. So now we have the headers, which is health, status, and index. So these are all the indices present in Elasticsearch cluster right now. If we want to create new index in this Elasticsearch cluster, we can just say put / and we'll say my_index. And if we run this, it should acknowledge as true. So we have created new index. Now we can check if this index is present in this list or not. And yes, here it is present. So this is how you install and configure Elasticsearch and Kibana on your MacBook. Hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much.